Inserting checkboxes in Excel used to be a real pain in the ass, but Microsoft have now released new ones which are easier to insert, format and use. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a really common example where we're going to use these alongside functions to create a tracker and lists. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Here's my holiday costs, where I've already bulk purchased travel, accommodation and activities, and I want to check off the invited people below who are attending and generate a cost per person. So first, let's insert our checkboxes. I'll select cell C11, go up to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click on the checkbox icon. This inserts a nice checkbox right in the middle of the cell. With these new ones, you're easily able to alter the alignment, colour and size of them just like you can do with any normal text or numbers. You can insert multiple checkboxes at once by highlighting all the cells you want them in and clicking on the checkbox icon, and you can copy and paste them by using the Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V sequence. To check and uncheck the boxes, you can simply click on them using your mouse or use the spacebar shortcut. If you click on the cell containing the checkbox and look at the formula bar, you'll notice it shows a false when unchecked, but if we check it, it changes to true, and we can use this logic with our formula to calculate a cost per person. In cell D11, I'll type equals if and open a set of parentheses. The logical test is the cell my checkbox is in, which is cell C11. If this is true, i.e. checked, then I want to use the sum function to take the total cost in cell C7, which needs fixing with $signs, and divide it by the number of people who are attending. To do this, we can use the countifs function, where the criteria range is our checkboxes, which again needs the range fixing, and the criteria argument is true. Close out the countifs and sum functions, and enter 0 if false. I'll copy this down, and now if I make changes to the checkboxes, these figures automatically update. You can also use checkboxes with more advanced build array functions like filter, which I can use to create a list of everyone who still needs to pay me. I'll add checkboxes to the paid column, then in cell B25, I'll open the filter function. The array is the list of names I want to return. For the include argument, I need two conditions to be met. The first is only the people who are attending, so within a set of parentheses, I'll select the range C11 to C21, which needs to be equal to true, and then close out the parenthesis. Type a multiplication sign, and then the second condition is the paid column, which needs to be equal to false, again within a set of parentheses. Close out the filter function and press enter. This now shows us an easy to read list of everyone who is outstanding, which updates as we tick them off. But look what happens once everyone's paid up. It creates a calc error. We can get rid of this by wrapping it in an if error function and writing in all paid up within quotation marks on an error. That's much better.
Well, there you have it. I hope you found this video useful and you can think of your own projects that you could use this in. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.